Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Cathy. I made a cell phone stand with wood and epoxy resin. A lot of woodworkers are using epoxy resin these days. Tables, rings, necklaces, etc. That works have beautiful and unexpected looking. Especially the combination of wood and resin creates a fantastic piece of work. I wanted to play with resin for a few years, and finally I tried. Or actually I should say I started because I think I'm going to continue to play with it. It's my first time resin experience, so I started this exciting project with a tiny one. I figured out to make these little cell phone stands. As always, it starts with some sketches. If this can hold a phone, you might know that last time I made a phone stand that is falling down. I'm not sure if it worked or not. What I can do is just try and make it again until I get the right design. Oh, I'm going to put resin in this part here, the most important thing in this project. CNC is cutting the file. I usually put small pieces of stuff like this in between other big projects. It's a way to reduce scrap wood. Now the cutting has done. Overall, the cuts are fine, but although it is plied, some pieces are broken. I brought them to the sanding table and sand them one by one. After sanding, I applied finishing oil. Okay, the oil dried. It's time for the resin. As you can see, the tip of the edge has broken while sanding. To thin parts, this plywood comes off even small friction. I looked forward to it to be pretty if I filled with resin. I stick the tape around the outer edge to prevent the resin from spilling. With this tape, the resin will fill the broken part of the wood, and I can pour it to the height as much as I want. I need to mix the resin and the hardener in a ratio of 10:3. I weighted it on a scale and mixed it carefully. Then I took a little bit of it in other cups and mixed it with acrylic colors. Some YouTube experts said I could use acrylic color, but when I mixed it, the acrylic paint didn't melt in the resin. Some small lump appeared. It wasn't as clear as I saw in other YouTube videos. It's very different from what I expected, but it looks not bad, so I decided to use it as it is. Anyway, I didn't have other choices because I only have acrylic to make colors. As I learned videos on YouTube, I fill the colors and mix them to create contingency. Since I made several pieces, I tried different colors and methods for each. I'm not sure how to fill it up or how to mix the colors, as this is my first resin. I just think of it as an experience and follow my hand. and a mom of 6-year twin. Being a YouTuber and create videos is a big challenge for me. Every week I have to wring out of time to make videos. Nevertheless, the reason I keep doing this is that it is a good reason to have new experience like I'm doing now. Even though I fail to make things, I might not fail to make videos because the process itself becomes a story. YouTube is such a helpful tool for self-discipline. It needs 24 hours for the resin to dry and harden. They look like this after a day. I'm not pretty satisfied with this. There are vestiges of bubbles in the middle at the end, but the color is okay. It's not transparent than I thought at first, but this tiny lump goes well with this plywood, I think. I peeled off the tapes one by one and checked the size. It looks like the resin had climbed on the tape. That means I need lots of sanding. I think I need to buy a torch and alcohol ink for the next project. Sanding resin is not difficult, even for the beginner, but it lost transparencies. I'm sanding with peace in my mind one by one. Resin leaked out can trim by hand tool, but it's not easy. It needs lots of work, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Next time I should have to stick the tape more carefully. I coated on the top with a transparent resin. Carefully apply it all over and spread the top part as flat as possible with wood sticks. Now wait another day for the resin to harden. So I get 6 cell phone stands done, my first resin work. Colors, shapes, and finishes are a bit clunky and unsatisfactory. However, I think it was an excellent opportunity to know what resin is. I had some problems in this project. As I said before, the color didn't come out what I expected. Resin leaked out on some parts. The top coated resin didn't harden in a day, so I got some fingerprint. And some parts didn't cover the top and flowed down. Even the triangular design didn't hold the phone. I made a falling down phone stand once again. But it's okay, I made things that works as well. This rectangular design works pretty okay. I believe I can do better next time. My resin projects are just starting. I only need one of them in my shop, so I will give the rest rectangular ones to my friends. It's nice to have a hobby of making things. It enriches life around me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again.